Nothing's gonna stop us. We knew it was still gonna happen. There was a little bit of panic, but I was like, you know what? I know somehow, some way we're gonna make it work.
I go about it the same way, but what happens is, like I said, it's a snowy day, and people haven't seen snow before. So they come to New York City, you know, get good highlights.
I am so ready to be done. It's not even funny. You know, with our first snowstorm that happened a few weeks ago, my flight to Mexico got completely canceled. So I've had enough.